Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound dollar monthly, I still think this is like an expanding flat or a running flat. If it is a running flat, then it definitely could make a higher low compared to here and end up continuing up like that for a running flat. If it really is an expanding flat, which it definitely could be, then it may go down and make a lower high, maybe down to the 161, 178 level before it actually does end up turning back up. Either scenario, we should be able to recognize when it does turn. So heading down to the weekly time frame, I still think this is a double three pattern. I still think that this over here is actually all part of the correction for three waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves up. I think we're in a 3-3-5 pattern where, like I said, it's either going to be a running or an expanding. If it is a running, I would expect 100% it would be the turn to the upside for the end of the 5 waves down. If it is an expanding, then I would likely expect it to go down quite a bit further than that, maybe all the way down to the 161 or the 178 Fibonacci extension for the 5 waves down and the big turn to the upside. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the trend is definitely down, and if this is a 1, 2, 3 like it looks like it is, then we have a lot of downside potential left. As long as it doesn't go up and take this high out right here, then the trend is definitely down, and it is likely to continue down, especially because we're not really at a Fibonacci level. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, this is the structure level that will tell me that this downtrend is over. It definitely does have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape to it for sure, which would make you think that it would turn up, which it possibly could turn up. But because of the higher time frames, I think that even if it does turn up, that it probably is likely just a correction to the last wave down, and it's likely that it will end up making a lower high and just continuing the downtrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So we are definitely making lower lows, lower highs on the 1 hour time frame. But as long as it continues to make lower lows, lower highs, I would definitely be doing nothing on anything at the 1 hour time frame or below, but look for shorts. I would definitely only be looking for shorts. Now, if it does decide to go up and break some of these subdivision waves, then I would first instantly throw my Fibonacci retracement on there, and I would be looking for a 38 to 78% pullback in this last wave down. But I wouldn't even bother with my Fibonacci level unless it actually does go up and break some of these subdivision highs. And like I said, if it does, throw your Fibonacci on there and look for a three-way pullback. If it doesn't do that, and it just continues to make lower highs, it just keeps on going down, then just enjoy the trend and go short at the end of every single pullback you see. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel with the link down here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.